Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting for you. The ultimate guide to free AI writing tools. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT Free. You can use OpenAI's ChatGPT for free. Head to their website, sign up, and you're good to go. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, write stories, or even explain tricky concepts. The best part? You can ask it to rewrite, summarize, or expand your text in seconds. Next, check out Quillbot. This one's a favorite for paraphrasing and grammar checking. Paste your text, and Quillbot will instantly suggest better ways to phrase your sentences. It's perfect for making your writing clearer and more professional. Another tool is WriteSonic's free plan. WriteSonic gives you access to AI-powered content creation for blog posts, ads, product descriptions, and more. The free version has some limits, but it's a great way to try out AI writing for different formats. Don't forget about Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes or project management, their built-in AI assistant is a game changer. It can help you outline articles, generate to-do lists, and even draft emails, all within your workspace. Last but not least, there's Google Gemini. This is Google's new AI writing assistant, and it's free to use with your Google account. Gemini can help you write emails, summarize documents, and even generate creative content right inside Google Docs. So, to recap, we've got ChatGPT Free, Quillbot, WriteSonic, Notion AI, and Google Gemini. All free, all powerful, and all ready to help you write smarter. Once you try these 5 free tools, you'll see how much you can do without spending a single dollar. But if you want an all-in-one AI platform that covers everything – research, scripting, video creation, images, coding, and more – here's a top pick. For only $10 a month, you get access to 22 powerful AI models, all in one spot. It's built to boost your productivity, whether you're a creator, developer, or entrepreneur. Check out the link in the description to learn more. All the free tools I mentioned are linked below, so you can try them out and see which ones you like best. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. And don't forget, check out my next video on the best free AI tools for content creation. Click the link at the top right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.